There he is on the phone. BA60NDR. Thank you. Afternoon, be lucky. Can't be holding your phone, mate.
Huh?
You can't be holding your...
See the map because the light is
But
red.
you still can't hold it.
Okay, here when I see the map.
Yeah, I'm going to report it. They will probably charge you. The police.
I just see the map.
Yeah, but you can't be holding it.
Messaging.
But you're not allowed to hold it.
Map, I want to see where is it.
It's illegal. It has to be mounted.
The car is stopped.
It's also illegal.
I need to see the map. I'm not using the phone when the car is driving.
You can argue that with the police.
I'm stopping and then see the map.
It's still not allowed.
When I see it, I put a horn. That's it.
Yeah,
I'm not
now
using
it's allowed.
it when I'm driving.
Yeah, now it's allowed, but holding it is not.
That's holding. See the map. I'm not using a messaging.
Well, you can argue with them, but they're not going to agree with you.
That's not your fucking business then.
It is my business.
Yeah, shut the fuck up.
You were driving across a pedestrian crossing, hold it.
Driving. Go report to you.
Yes, Habibi. I mean, that's why you're not supposed to be holding it. It's because you end up using it while you're moving, just as he was, as I saw him driving across the crossing.